Hey, what's up guys? John with RussellMarineProducts.com. We wanted to let you know about some sweet Lowrance deals that we have going on right now. Today, in this video, we're going to look at the HDS PRO. This is a reconditioned unit that you're going to get at a deep discount. Check it out. All right, so if you guys are looking at getting into an HDS unit that's going to give you the capability of running Active Target 2, the new HD transducer, integrate with your Ghost trolling motor, all of that stuff, this is going to be an option for you. A lot of you guys have been asking over the years why Lowrance isn't making a 10-inch unit anymore. This is your opportunity to get into this HDS 10, first one we've seen in several generations, at a pretty steep discount. So this is a reconditioned unit. This is reconditioned by Lowrance, by the manufacturer. It's coming to us in the original packaging. You will be able to see the indication that it is a refurbished or reconditioned unit right here on the side. And you can also see that it'll come with a 1-year warranty. So you are missing, a year of warranty based off of what the original price it would include. You'd get a 2-year, but a 1-year warranty at a very heavy discount. So we've got these both with and without transducers. So let's talk about that real quick. It's going to come with the Active Imaging 3-in-1 HD. So this is going to give you that higher megahertz frequency. This transducer does not come with the fish reveal on side scan option. So it does have the capability of running it, but if that's the route you want to go, you might look at the option without transducer, get that correct transducer with the fish reveal on side scan, and then you would have to add the S3100 module. So that S3100 module will give you the capability to run the fish reveal on side scan feature, but that new HD transducer, one of the big standout features is that higher frequency. We're getting extended range, better detail with it. This has the capability of running it. And like I said, you can get it with an option to include that transducer. So it'll run the new transducer, give you the better detail. It'll run Active Target 2. It'll integrate with the Ghost trolling motor. It'll do the Ghost 360. It's NEMA 2000 capable, so it'll run 0.1 antennas. You can integrate engine data. You can integrate your stereo system, all kinds of cool stuff through there. And then you've also got, so we also have some other units that are reconditioned, like the Elite FS9 we went over here recently, talked about how it only had one sonar port. This one has 2. So if you're wanting to run a high-speed transducer as well as your factory 3-in-1, this unit is going to be ready to receive that second transducer. Don't have to do any special Y cables or anything. We'll just plug that into the sonar port, and we can either shoot it through the hole on a fiberglass boat, or we can mount a skimmer to the back of the boat for those of you guys that are running aluminum rigs in order to get those high-speed depth readings. It does come preloaded with the C-map. This is the Discovery OnBoard, very detailed 1-foot contour mapping that you will have included on here. Very good mapping. There is an improvement if you want to upgrade your map card to the latest and greatest. Right now it's going to be the C-map Reveal. This unit will accept that. It will read all of the advanced features of that card, but what it comes with is very good, so might want to give that a shot. But we're looking at 1280 by 800 pixel count, so this is kind of the industry standard right now. For screen resolution, it's what your HDS 12 is going to have, your Pro 12, so it's going to be comparable there, just shrinking it down a little bit to a 10-inch. So all right, let's go ahead, open the box, and see what you guys are going to find when you get this thing. and know what to expect. Go ahead and get this opened up. As you can see, comes with all of the original manufacturer packaging. We've got our transducer. So I believe I did mention earlier in the video that you can get this with or without transducer. This is going to be the 3-in-1 HD. So just keep in mind, if you want the fish reveal on side scan, get the option without transducer, and then we'll have to add those other items to your cart separately. We've got our power cable, we've got mounting hardware, and we've got our inline fuse holder in here. We've got our knobs for our gimbal bracket, and then we've got our transom mount bracket as well. So you've got everything that you need to get this thing mounted up on the boat. If you guys are looking to install this, definitely don't want to forget about the dedicated power. And if you haven't already seen that other video that we did on dedicated power, now would be a good time to check that out. But we'll go ahead and we'll pull this unit out. It looks a lot like our Pro 9s, a lot like our Pro 12s, just in a little bit more compact package here. Looks brand new. We've got our SD card slot here, our dual card slot, so we can put 2 cards in there. And then on the back, we might look at the extra Ethernet port that we have versus like the Elite FS. If you guys are trying to decide which way to go, the HDS series will give you the extra Ethernet port. We've still got NEMA, we've got our power, we've got our structure port. This is where you're going to plug your HD transducer into, and then your blue port is going to be for your 2D transducer if you want to do like your high-speed depth readings. But super clean unit, great way to save some money and get the latest and greatest technology on your boat. If you guys have any questions on this or any other units, give us a call at 316-313-4113 or shoot an email over to sales@russellmarineproducts.com. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.
Are you tired of your old marine electronics? At R&P, we make trade-in easy. 3 steps. Step 1, shoot us an email, get a quote. Step 2, send us your old unit and get credit. Step 3, get your brand new unit and get it installed on your boat today.